guys, welcome back to another video of Travis Case. Today, Luke McClennan will be joining me.
I have some slime in my hand.
And stop that, or I'm gonna shoot you with a Nerf gun. Oh yeah, I'll be shooting him with all my Nerf guns. Okay,
For this.
I'll show him all my Nerf guns.
Look at the black slime.
So I have 2 jolts, nice guns, portable. Slip them in your sock. Slip them in your shirt.
Test them on my butt.
And let's shoot Luke. Oh, no, I'm just doing a show off. And then Trade EX3. Woo! Jolt, upgraded it. Way.
Oh.
And that
Those things
is the
hurt.
Trade X.
Okay, you gotta shoot me in the butt with that and
No, yeah, I will after we show off. Okay, then you got your big shot. This is probably gonna knock the camera over, but I don't give a. Called it. That's the big shot power.
this.
You didn't see a thing because Luke is not the show off person.
This is the dude's trick.
Stop. I will shoot you in the head. I'll make a head shot. I was only gonna do a body shot. Okay, this is the bow strike. Doesn't that look imitating when you get shot?
Ow.
Ouch!
That would hurt.
Now, one of my biggest guns. Oh, the fucking damn shock! You can switch it to Mega. Oh, that looks sticky. Elite. Watch how the Mega shoots. I got that power. I'm surprised I didn't knock over. The Elite, softer, but farther range. Still power. 1 second. Well, guys. Down to our final guns. Here's my Alpha Trooper, my first ever Nerf gun.
I'm not gonna be happy for the next one.
Oh yeah, this one's broken though, so you won't be shot with that one.
Oh.
And then you got my biggest gun of them all. The
Zeus.
Zeus Rival! Woo! This one hurts. It's electric. See?
It's not the biggest gun. If you check out my channel, I might show off my Nerf guns. I've got a lot more. I've got the Chaos. It's a lot bigger than that.
Luke, and then you got my sword. He'll be hit with this one. See? You got that.
I'm not happy for that.
Okay, let's shoot him. You guys can all see him? Ah.
Oh, you hit me right. Oh.
One down, and here comes another shot.
Oh, the neck.
That one was on purpose.
The neck hurts. The neck hurts.
Now, you got the trigger. I'm shooting all 3 bullets. He's a scary cat, but this one hurts, I can tell you that.
Oh.
What? Oh yeah, the yellow ball. So you're lucky. But, or are you? Load them all back up.
Oh, bring the butt.
Well, you. Okay, guys. Now. Wait, no. Wrong one. The Mega Duo Stock.
Oh, right in the head. Ow.
Well, it didn't hit you in the body, so you can't have your hands here. Okay.
Ow. Oh, gee.
Well, guys, now the bow strike time. Oh, you wait.
No.
It's time. What did I start with? Elite or Mega? I'm shooting all 6 bullets. What one do you want me to start with? Mega or Elite?
Elite.
You heard him.
Oh, that's not elite. Oh, it is elite. No, I'm not happy. Oh! No.
They all have to hurt when you're on my when you're a Travis.
Ow!
Now, if that hurt, watch for the mega. Watch out! Headshot.
Not the headshot.
Well, guys, there's the video. Oh wait, no, this is not the hard one. I just got clipped on my bullets. If that one hurt, that will be the ending one. I'll do this again. I'll do this one again. Cause you love it.
No, I hate it.
Wait, actually, guys, no, I'm gonna do the rival. I'm not gonna do the rival next. It's time for the sword. Get ready. Oh, you're not in the picture. Dun, 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 dun.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
That was just sword. That was kind of hard.
No! No!
Now I gotta make sure there's no jam. Because I can't let him away with that. Just one shot. Damn. Okay.
2 strikes
What
left.
bullets? So what one hurt the most?
Dual strike all the way.
Go get that. Okay. I was gonna be nice and not to shoot you with a dual strike, but oh, you want to go? Okay, you're gonna jump dual strike again. I was gonna be nice and generous. Don't do
You get shot. It's your channel.
No, I'm gonna shot next Nerf war. Next Nerf video.
You ready for this? Huh? You ready? It's coming for you. Oh, that kind of looks that looks pretty devious.
Guys, I gotta reload all my bullets. Can't forget one bullet. Well, guys. If you guys get like to 5 million likes, I'm gonna do something. Well, I'll do it in advance since I don't want to wait any longer. It's time for Luke to get shot.
Again?
Just because I hurt the most. And, well, you guys love me, right? You love getting him. You love him. You love him getting shot, don't you?
No, I don't like it.
Now, get into position.
I'm gonna comment that.
Come on, guys. Get this video to 5 million likes.
Wait. What would happen if you shot this slime?
Ooh, that will be our next video. Watch out for that. You're gonna get up dirty like the other one.
Zalaba. Isn't me.
Well, you can't really see it, so I don't really care.
Maybe I should bring some.
Hey, guys.
I still had some in on my finger.
Okay, put it down. Okay, Luke, be in the picture.
Wait. Back up.
No, Luke, stop. Fine, I won't shoot you if you pack over the swords. Okay, since you were rough doing that,
No.
back away. I'm just kidding. I'm not that cool. Well, guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you want to see number 2 of me getting shot, don't do it.
With his first ever Nerf gun.
Which is my...
Alpha Trooper.
Yeah, see, I'll shoot Luke with it. It's broken. Did you know that? So I'll get shot with that. Shoot me with it right now.
There's not even any ammo in it.
Yeah, it's broken. I need a clip. Well, guys, I hope you liked that video.
Okay.
Subscribe
Peace
to
out.
Matthew McClellan Vlogs, Luke McClellan Vlogs, and subscribe to me. Come on, you love these challenges.
Smash that like button.
You heard him.
Okay.
Subscribe to me, and you know, you stay awesome.
Stay
And
cool,
we'll see you next
stay
time.
fresh, stay sassy. Peace out.
Peace.